Well, our first round of Topps Chrome Update Blasters, our first two, went fairly well. Our first one was not very good. Our second one was very good. We got a gold refractor on-card autograph. We won't tell you who it was. And a bunch of Glaber and Ohtani. Our first one, really just nothing to speak of there. I was a little bit worried with the amount of these that I've brought in, that maybe that was not a good idea. But that second one makes me feel a little bit better about this. Baez, Kinsler as your vet base, Soroka and Adams, rookies. Judge, Hader, Contreras, vet base, and international affair, Gleyber Torres. We have a refractor. It is Mike Trout. Number 222 of 250. Just a regular refractor. Those are one out of every, I believe there's a 1 out of 49 as well. 1 out of 48. So it is still 1 out of every 7 blasters. Mike Trout. Numbered on the back over here. That's good. We like that. Corey Kluber, Mitch Haniger on the vet base, and another Lourdes Gurriel rookie. If you're going to get refractors, I mean, that's not a bad guy to get, you know? International affair of Didi Gregorius. Fernando Romero, a rookie. Blackman Altuve as your vet base. Martinez, Sale, Bautista, and Yelich, all vet base there. We don't show vet base here, you guys. We don't do it. Jake DeGrom, vet base, rookie debut RC of Gleyber Torres. I have to sneeze, which is not good. Rookie of Jack Flaherty. Trying to hold that in. An international fair of Jose Altuve. Ironic that when I'm showing you the Altuve, I come up a little bit short on holding in that sneeze. I'll be here all week. Try the veal. Grichuk Ramirez as your vet base. The, I suppose, true RC of Ohtani. And Miguel Andujar, rookie. That's a nice one there. So, a numbered refractor. They're all refractors are numbered out of this. So, when I say numbered refractor, they're all numbered refractors. Numbered refractor out of box number 3. That's okay. That's certainly not why we are popping all this stuff. But again, if you're going to get one, it should be Mike Trout. Rookie heavy pack here. There's a Machado vet base. Yaro Munoz. Willie Adams. And Tyler O'Neill. Has your rookos there. It's an international affair, you guys. Chris Davis. I actually did not know he was from Mexico. Nolan Arenado vet base, and rookos of David Boat and Ahmed Rosario. The rook stack and vet stack is pretty much even so far, so always interesting to see how that plays out in this stuff. Zach Cozart, Eric Hosmer, Felipe Vasquez as your vet base, and 1 rook of Scott Kingery. International Affair, Gary Sanchez, Ronald Acuna Jr., Dustin Fowler, rookie, and Mike Trout, vet base. Oh, put Dustin Fowler in the good guys pile. Let's not be doing that now. No, no, no. No, no, no. Abreu and Cole as our vet base. Jordan Hicks, rookie. And a Gleyber Torres, all-star, rookie. 2 packs left in blaster number 4. International Affair of Carlos Correa. Bryce Harper, vet base. Todd Frazier, vet base. And Dylan Cousins, rookie card. Oh yeah. Love it when I can't figure out how to rip a pack. Marcell Ozuna, Andrew McCutchen on your vet base. Austin Meadows, rookie. And a Freddie Peralta, rookie. Pop 1 more of these in this video. There's a lot of talking in that first video, so made it a lot longer than I suppose it needed to be. We still don't have just a regular autograph yet. So you would think with the odds that we are due for one of those. Andrew McCutchen, vet base. Mr. Ohtani. Mr. Albies. Mr. Devers. International Affair of Freddie Freeman. Rookies of Kingery. Kiner Falefa and Stratton. Again, you can see this is the vet stack, this is the rook stack. Pretty similar, aren't they? Got a Gleyber. We got a Bueller. And a Beatty and a Frazier. International Affair of Yon Moncada. Mookie Betts, vet base. Shane Bieber, rook, and a Nick Kingham, rookie debut. 3 packs left in blaster number 5. Oh yeah, there we go. Much better. Molina Kinsler on the vet base. Albies All-Star Rook. Adams rookie. International Affair of Ichiro. I used to have a poster of this man on my wall growing up for a very long time. Aaron Judge, Josh Hader, vet base, rookie debut, rook of Willie Adams. The last pack of Blaster 5. Arenado, Haniger, Blackman, vet base, and a rookie of Yairo Munoz. So, a little bit of an up and down start, I guess. We have a numbered refractor, Mike Trout, at a 250. Again, they're all numbered. I catch myself on that all the time, but that's what they are. They're numbered. and a gold refractor auto numbered out of 50 on card of Red Sox pitcher Kyle Martin. So, an interesting start. We don't have our first regular autograph yet, but we have more.